Freakier Friday director Nisha Ganatra has ideas for a potential third installment in the iconic and campy Body Swap franchise. Legacy sequels are all the rage nowadays, with movies like Liam Neeson's The Naked Gun and Jeff Bridges' Tron: Ares storming into theaters this year. Among them is Freakier Friday, a sequel to Disney's 2003 comedy hit Freaky Friday starring Jamie Lee Curtis and Lindsay Lohan. Freakier Friday arrived in cinemas on August 7th, and there's been no word on a follow-up just yet. Even so, director Nisha Ganatra has some far-out ideas about the story for a potential Freakiest Friday threequel. Speaking to Screen Rant's Ash Crossan about the release of the Legacy sequel, Ganatra pitched, Nisha. Ganatra, Freakiest Friday. What would it be? I mean, more swaps, right? Probably a six-way swap. We'd definitely have Manny Jacinto and Chad Michael Murray switching places. We all need that. Ganatra's instincts are understandable. Sequels are meant to push the characters further and raise the stakes. There's no easier way to raise the stakes than to involve two additional people in the body-swapping shenanigans, especially when they're Anna's former and current love interests. Watching Chad Michael Murray and Manny Jacinto embody each other's characters would undoubtedly provide some hilarious moments. If the sequel does well enough at the box office, Disney may be tempted to greenlight a third chapter. Freakier Friday reviews have lauded Lohan's return to the big screen and Curtis's comedic timing. If they're game, the rest of the story could fall into place, especially if Ganatra is willing to helm another installment after taking over from Freaky Friday's Mark Waters. Of course, Ganatra's pitch should be taken with a grain of salt, but there's always a danger of pushing a story concept too far. Freaky Friday and Freakier Friday work because they focus on a core relationship dynamic, the one between mothers and daughters, and how their generational divide affects their bond. Adding even more potential body swap candidates, whether they be Jacinto's Eric, Murray's Jake, or anyone else, could destroy any hint of believability and force the scriptwriters to forego genuine character development. Then again, making a four-way body swap work seemed impossible too, and Ganatra has managed that with aplomb. A Freakier Friday follow-up could prove to be just as fun as the original and the sequel.